Good morning, class. In my absence today, this is what you're going to be working on. So you're going to go to My Page in Schoology, and you're going to go to Thursday assignments. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to select the lesson that says November 19th, New France, New Spain, New Netherlands. Here, you're going to have a PDF document with the readings on New France, New Spain, and the New Netherlands. Going back, you're going to download this Word document and save it to Word. Directions. In the Thursday Schoology folder, access the PDF titled New Spain, New France, New Netherlands Reading. Read about each colony. Answer the questions in the graphic organizer on page 2 of this worksheet using information from the readings. This assignment will be due Monday, November 23rd. So scroll down to the second page. In the reading that you're doing, you're going to use it to answer these questions. So the reading about New Spain is going to go in the section on New Spain. The reading on New France is going to go into New France. The reading on New Netherlands is going to go on New Netherlands. Also point out, this assignment's worth double points because we'll be working on it over the course of 2 days. Please be sure to hand this in on the day of our quiz review, Monday, November 23rd. Lastly, there are a couple of videos here. This one's a YouTube video. These others are MP4s, but they also discuss the New Spain, New France, and New Netherlands colonies. Hope this video was helpful.